My dearest Dahyuk, I never once thought that my meet cute would be in a grocery market, but there you were. As I called out to you in that AR mart, I had this indescribable feeling, a feeling that perfectly justifies the saying, when you know, you know. And over a decade later, what I've come to understand that feeling to be was a sign from the universe, that it had woven an invisible string eternally tying you to me.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you.
You mean the world to me. With their ups and downs, I will, no matter what, I'll never leave you. With all the arguments we had, all the happiness we have, they will always be the greatest memories of my life. Just like one of our favorite movies, You Got a Friend in Me. I love you so much.
How you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough. But I would've known what I was living for all along.
You are my best friend, my person, my soulmate. I love every little thing about you. You make me want to be a better person every day.
Your love is my turning page. Only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a curse.
I promise to laugh with you, to stand by you, and to grow with you. I promise to put you and our family first, to be your partner, your safe space, and your biggest supporter. I promise to find you and love you unconditionally in every lifetime. For as long as we both shall live, I love you so much.
Nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart.
By the power vested in me, and with the joy of everyone present, it is my great honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Dahyuk, you may kiss your bride.
I just want to say how proud and grateful I am to witness your harmonious love. Knowing that Tracy will be with someone who sees her, someone who listens to her, and someone who stands by her every day. Here's to Tracy and Dahyuk. May your love only deepen, your joy only grow, and may you always have more stories in your fairy tale.
Beauty in the simple things. Don't be scared of giving.
Tracy, thank you for making my buddy such a happy man. I never thought I could see Dahyuk any happier till the day he announced that you guys were in a relationship. I'm not gonna lie, at first I thought, oh no, she's gonna steal my best friend. But I saw the life in his eyes when you entered into his life as his girlfriend.